Yeah, it's a camera. What is going on, everybody? We are at the park and ride in Surrey. Aisha's here, Yanko is over there, and we're starting our journey to the Rockies. Yanko's car, so Yanko's gonna drive. Oh, nice, good job. Yeah, I know it's January, but Parks Canada's backcountry reservation system is opening soon, so maybe you want to take a look at what's going on around Jasper National Park. We're here. Welcome to Mount Robson, the tallest peak. Wait, there's a trap. The tallest peak in the Canadian Rockies. I don't know how tall it is, but it's tall. And it's clear again. I'm pretty lucky. This is the third time I've seen it clear all the way to the top. So let's go check it out. Mount Robson is 3,954 meters in height, or just under 13,000 feet. After we enjoyed the clear skies over the peak, we made our way into Jasper National Park and, of course, Alberta. Jasper National Park faced a devastating wildfire in 2024. Although the landscape still shows signs of visible scars, and rebuilding, especially for lost homes and infrastructure like the campgrounds, will likely take years, key attractions like Maligne Lake and areas along the Icefield Parkway are still accessible. The next morning we woke up bright and early and made our way to Pyramid Lake. If you made it this far, mad love from me to you. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all of the things that you normally do. Yanko's in the car waiting, so we're gonna head on our next adventure. But until then, I'm excellent, you're excellent, everybody's excellent. Peace. I'm here! What's going on, Yanks?
Getting the energy for the trip.
You're gonna drive part of this trip.
I doubt it.
Fucking guy. Oh my god.
So close.
Hello?